Alright, today I'm going to be doing the breakdown of the motor. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll go ahead and let you, get a better picture of it. I'm going to do a whole breakdown of the motor today. Whole breakdown. I'm going to take everything off. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything I see. I'm going to be taking everything that off this motor that comes off and will be coming off today. So I am going to be covering up the GoPro to keep the air compressor from drowning out the sound and all the other stuff. I will be using the air compressor on some of the stuff on here to get things off, especially this guy right here. I don't know if you can see that, but this guy right here will be coming off with the air compressor. I do have the tools to take it off. I am going to be completely stripping this, like I said, completely stripping it of everything. Everything on here you see will be coming off. So I am going to stop the video here, and then I'm going to pick up where I left off. After I get everything set up, I will continue. Okay, I have completely tore it down. I'm sorry if you missed some parts and stuff like that. My GoPro did die. Hopefully I got the rest of the stuff on, my footage and stuff on the other thing I was using to record. I can't do any moving the thing, but I don't know if you can see, but like I said, I completely tore it down. Took everything off the crank and everything. And then I'm going to, in another video, I'm going to be taking my head apart and getting it ready to put new valve springs, retainers, and whatever else I can get in there. Maybe take it to the machine shop and make sure it's still flat and stuff like that, to where I can put it back on the motor without having issues. I am going to be ordering ARP head studs and stuff like that. I just wanted to do a tear down and see what my pistons look like. Look like crap. But at the same time, it was still tight. I know I got to go in here and clean the bay and clean this off real good. And get it all cleaned up and put it back together whenever I get everything in that I ordered in. And then after that, after I get everything in and start putting it back together, then eventually I'll take this motor out and be doing the same thing I did to this one. I don't know if I'm going to video that one, but I'm going to be doing the same thing to this one as I did to this one and putting it back together. So if you bear with me, like and subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I want to give a special shout out to some guys that inspired me to go ahead and do this channel and open this up real quick on doing my YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and give a special thank to Mark at Honda Street Garage, ZOSH, Oh My, let's go ahead and give credit to the BoostedBoiz, and let me see who else I can think of. Who else? Emelia, her and her 240. That was phenomenal how she just did her thing on her 240. Her swap on her 240, it was just crazy thing. And Static, YOUNGSTATIC, I forgot to those guys, and the lady, should I say the lady, give a thanks to you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Like I said, like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Going to clean up my mess, and I'm gonna get this uploaded for you guys. Thank you for watching.